Hi students, today we are going to observe the permanent slides of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Objective of this experiment: identification of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma tissue in plants. Materials required: prepare slides of parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma and microscope. A tissue is a group of morphologically similar or dissimilar, mature or immature, living or dead cells that have common origin and function. Plant tissues are broadly classified into two types known as meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue. It occurs in all growing parts of the plants like root tips and shoot tips. It consists of undifferentiated cells which are living and have the capacity to undergo cell division. Permanent tissues. The cells of permanent tissue usually lost the capacity to divide either temporarily or permanently. They have definite shape. Cells are having vacuolated cytoplasm. Permanent tissues are broadly divided into simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues. Simple permanent tissues are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissues are xylem and phloem. To observe these plant tissue slides, first of all, take a microscope and collect the parenchyma permanent slide. Place this parenchyma permanent slide under the microscope and observe it. Yes, what do you observe? In the parenchyma, the cells are oval or spherical in shape. The cells are loosely arranged. Intercellular spaces are present. Lumen is absent. Nucleus is present. Cell wall is present. Cytoplasm is present. These are the observable characteristic features of parenchyma. Next, take a permanent slide of collenchyma and place it under microscope, then observe it. So what do you observe? The cells are oval, spherical or polygonal in shape. Cells are compactly arranged. Intercellular spaces are absent. Lumen is absent. Nucleus is present. Cell wall is present. Cytoplasm is present. These are the characteristic features of collenchyma. Next, take a permanent slide of sclerenchyma and place it under microscope. What do you observe? The cells are in the sclerenchyma, the cells are elongated or polygonal in shape. Commonly, cells are compactly packed. Intercellular spaces are absent. Lumen is present. Nucleus is absent. Cell wall is present. Cytoplasm is absent. These are the observable characteristic features in sclerenchyma. By observing these parenchyma and collenchyma and sclerenchyma, what do we conclude? Parenchyma cells are thin-walled and they may be oval or spherical in shape. Intercellular spaces of collenchyma is filled with cellulose, pectin and hemicellulose. Sclerenchyma cells are thick-walled dead cells which do not have cytoplasm. Precautions: always observe the slides under low power or high power microscope. Draw actual diagrams as you observe under microscope. Based on these observation of these slides, I pose few questions. Name the plant tissue having dead cells. Give the answer to this question. Sclerenchyma. What is living storage tissue? Anyone? Answer to this question. Parenchyma.
Hi children. Today we are performing biology experiment of class 9th. Objective: identification of stripe, smooth, and cardiac muscle fibers and nerve cells in animals from prepared slides. Draw of their labeled diagrams. Materials required: prepare slide of striped muscle fibers, prepared slide of smooth muscle fibers, prepared slide of cardiac muscle fibers, prepared slide of nerve cells. Compound microscope. Theory: in animals, the cells are organized into 4 types of tissues. They are epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, and connective tissue. Epithelial tissues. It is a protective covering on an external and internal surface of the animals. An epithelial tissue may be composed of 1 or more layers of cells. The cells in the epithelial tissue vary in shape. Muscular tissue. This tissue is composed of contractile fibers like cells. On the basis of structure and function, 3 types of muscular tissues are categorized. 1. Unstriped muscles. 2. Striated muscles. 3. Cardiac muscles. Unstriped muscles also known as smooth muscles. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is made up of nerve cells or neurons. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves are composed of nervous tissue. The cells of nervous tissue has nerve cells with small and fine branches known as dendrites. One unbranched process is present that is called axon. In some nerve cells, the axon has a thick white covering called myelin sheath. These are called myelinated fibers. In myelinated fibers, there are gaps along with the entire length called nodes of Ranvier. Each nerve cell receives messages through the dendrites and sends this message through the axon. Procedure: observe the permanent slide of striped muscle fiber under the microscope. Observe under the low power, then high power of the compound microscope. Observe the permanent slide of smooth muscle under the microscope. Under low power and then high power objective of compound microscope. Observe the cardiac muscle fibers under the microscope. First under the low power, then high power objectives of compound microscope. Observe the permanent slide of nerve cell under the microscope. Observe the permanent slide of nerve cell of animal under the microscope in low power, then adjust to high power objective of compound microscope. Study their structures and draw labeled diagram of the observed tissue with sharp pencil in your notebook. Observation: the striated muscles are cylindrical, cells unbranched, multinucleated, alternate light and dark bands are observed. The ends are blunt. The unstriated muscles cells are long, unbranched, uninucleated bands, that is light and dark, are not observed. The ends of cells are tapered. Cardiac muscles. Cells are cylindrical. They are branched, uninucleated. Bands are present. The ends of cells are flat and wavy. Nerve cells. Nerve cell. Under the high magnification, the nerve tissue shows nerve cells. They are having three parts: a cell body, short dendrites, and a long axon. The axon may or may not be surrounded by myelin sheath. Inference. Striated muscle is a multinucleated tissue which has characteristic light and dark bands. Non-striated muscles, that is smooth muscles, consist of spindle-shaped, long fiber like cell with a single nucleus at the center. Bands are not observed. Cardiac muscle consists of cylindrical, branched, uninucleated, flat and wavy cells. Nervous tissue is formed of nerve cells, also known as neurons. Precautions. Always observe slide under low then high power microscope. Draw actual diagram as you observe under microscope. Avoid touching cover slip of the slide. Vivos. We will evaluate this experiment by asking some questions. First question. What is the main difference between striated and non-striated muscles? A. Number of nuclei. B. Dark and light bands. C. Shape of cell. D. All of these. Can you guess the answer? Yes. The answer is D. All of these. Second question. Which of the following part of the neuron receives the information? A. Cell body. B. Axon. C. Dendrites. D. Myelinated sheath. Do you know the answer? Yes, the answer is C, that is dendrites.